Yeah, Letitia, it's another conference again. What are you looking forward to this year?
Yeah, Institute of Quarrying, again, an excellent arrangement of the conference and the speakers. I'm looking forward to the Chief Inspector of Mines addressing the small surface mines and leading us in 2025 on the zero harm journey. And then obviously all the young professional papers, because that's why we are here, is to connect the young professionals and to give them exposure to the industry and an opportunity to present to the industry.
Yeah, I think one of the key developments in the industry at the moment is, the declarator, with the court granting relief to Aspasa. Just tell me a bit more about that and, its significance to the industry.
So this process has started since 2010 already, and 2014, 2015 we started the Blue Rock case. And we didn't come anywhere with the tax court, and we decided last year we're going to go for the High Court declarative. We won the declarative. SARS appealed. We won the appeal case, and now we wait to hear if SARS will go for the petition to Supreme Court in this regard. And the significance is that our quarries comply in paying their taxes, but just the interpretation of the starting point of selling, the selling point and where it starts, and muck versus bulk, and we hope to win even the Supreme Court case on this to help industry to survive, if you want to put it that way, especially in this difficult economic times.